Hi everyone, welcome to this week's video. Hope you've all had a good week. As you can see in the thumbnail, we are doing some flamingo nails this week. So I've started with my XXL ballerina full cover tips from McCart, and I think they're called like pump ups or something. Given them a base coat, I've buffed them and I've filed the free edge and whatnot. And then the thumb is going to be, I think it's called Marilyn White from Beetles, but it's A799. And this is going to have 2 coats, curing in between each. And then I have a selection of glitters, this tinsely iridescent pink glitter. I think I've only used it once before, but it's really nice, really like it. So I pat that on to the tacky layer of that white, and then I do go in with a base coat because I want to add more bits of glitter, and you know, that tacky layer is gone once I start patting it for that tinsely bit. So I've put some more iridescent hex, pink hex stuff, and then some fine confetti, almost like glitter, and that is that. And then because it's glitter and it pokes out a bit, I'm gonna almost like encapsulate it, but just with the base coat. Just make sure it's a really thick layer. Make sure you hold it upside down before you put it in the lamp, so let it all pull to the apex, to the centre, and then quickly turn it over and pop it in your lamp for a full cure. And then I have a selection of stickers and decals, all like tropical vibes. Some of them got toucans on and monstera leaves, some lovely pink flowers. Don't ask me what the flower's called, not a clue. So I'm just choosing the ones that I want, and I'll cut out all of them. I'm going to do the decals first, and then if I choose any stickers, they'll go on last. When you're doing decals, try and make sure to cut really close to the image itself, and then just pop it upside down onto a jelly stamper. Get yourself a little pot of water and a brush, and then once that image is upside down on the jelly stamper, dip your brush into the water and just place it on the back of that decal. Let it all soak up, and then give it about 20-30 seconds and it will just slide away, the backing paper will. And then because you've got it on the jelly stamper, you can just stamp on where you want it. There's no faffing around. So I'm going to do that with all the bits of decals and stickers. I'm going to place them all where I want them to go. So I'm happy with the amount of leaves that we've got on there, and I want to add a flamingo into the middle of that nail. And the decals do work better on a white base layer, which you'll see on the third nail. It's not white, and I put some decals on, and you'll see the difference between the decals on a white nail and decals on a different coloured nail. Now, the bits that are hanging over, you can just trim them off or file them away. And then I'm going to matte top coat, and then pop it in the lamp. And I really like it just adds a whole nother dimension to those glitters when you matte top coat it. Absolutely lovely. For the second nail, we are going to go in white again. It's not going to be a white nail, but I'm going to use this Pool Party collection this was from. It's a lovely pink. And then if you can remember, I used orange sorbet. I don't know if it wasn't last week, it was the week before. And I said if I'm going to use this colour again, it's going to be over a white base because it just wasn't very vibrant. So I'm doing that for this. I'm pulling that pink polish down with my ombre brush, giving it a cure, adding the orange sorbet at the bottom, pulling that up, giving it another cure, and I'll do 2 coats of that to create an ombre. Add a base layer, don't cure it, and then add some pink glitters fading down into the orange and some orange glitters fading up into the pink. And again, because I've added glitter, I am going to, like I said, almost encapsulate it with a base coat. And then once that's cured, give that a matte top coat as well. Look at that glitter. I really, really love iridescent glitter with a matte top coat. Love it. So the third nail is this gorgeous aqua colour. And it's had 2 coats. And like I said, I'm going to use stickers and decals. But you'll see that obviously with a non-white base, it doesn't really pick up. The stickers and stuff don't really stand out very well. It's still lovely, it's still really nice. But I think they just look so much better on a white background. The colours of the decals and stickers just pop. And then I'm taking some of that green tinsely iridescent glitter. I'm just going to pop that around, and I've got some like lime green and dark green fine glitter. And this is over a uncured base coat as well. Picked these up from Hobbycraft. It was like £2 for the stack. Absolute bargain. And it has some chunky green glitter in there. And then I'm encapsulating again with a bit of base, floating that polish down. And then matte top coating that as well. Love them so far. Fourth nail, using that same Marilyn White A799, 2 coats of that on the fourth nail. And then a layer of base coat, uncured, adding some fine orange glitter and some of the orange tinsel pearlescent iridescent glitter, whatever you want to call it, all over the nail. And then some glitter from Charlie's Nail Art Supply. I've used apricot on this one, and I do a base coat just to encapsulate that glitter before we put some more decals on. Yeah, and I've used Charlie's Nail Art Supplies. So for the pink I've used strawberry, for the orange I used apricot, and did I use another colour? Can't remember. I used apple for green. So I'm just popping those decals where I want them to be, and then I will matte top coat that and pop it in the lamp to cure. See, I like this one, but I wasn't a fan. I feel like the glitters turned the white a little bit orange, and yeah, I don't know. So for the last nail, it is all pink. This pool party collection from Beetles. I love this colour so much. I've just sourced a big bottle, a full-size bottle of this exact colour, so that will be here soon. And yeah, because I've only had it a couple of months, but it's nearly all gone already. So that's had 2 coats, doing a base layer, and I'm going to use the tinsely glitter and the iridescent glitter again, and some of the strawberry from Charlie's Nail Art Supply, and give it a cure, and then encapsulate again with some base coat, just to seal in all those nooks and crannies. And I will go down the nail and back up the nail, and I'm not dragging the brush. Give that a cure. That's it, shiny. And then I'll put some matte on and give that a cure. And I think this one is my favourite. Oh, look, I love it so much. I just love that just adds a different dimension, doesn't it, to glitter rather than it being all shiny. So this is the finished product. What do you think of it, guys? I absolutely love them. I just love anything pink and flamingo and tropical, and yeah, I love it. So everything I've used will be listed down below in the description box. If there's any codes, or if there's like a sale on or anything, I will link them down below as well next to the product description. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I really do hope you liked it. I have pretty much finished decorating the little nail room. So if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen a couple of days ago I uploaded a picture. If not, head on over and have a look at my little workspace. I am in love. It's my little sanctuary, my little haven. Love it. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I do hope to see you next week. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye.